If you want to block unwanted apps in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn on the setting that helps protect your browser from potentially unwanted apps. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security, reduce risky downloads, and help keep your device safer while you browse. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it means a lot. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dot menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the main Edge settings page where you can control privacy, security, and other browser options. Now on the left side of the settings screen, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains many of the security and browsing protection features built into Edge. It's where Microsoft places the controls for keeping your browser more secure and private. Next, scroll down until you find the Security section. Click on Security to open the available protection settings. Inside this area, you'll see a few different options related to safer browsing and download protection. Now, look for the setting called Block Potentially Unwanted Apps. This is the option you want to enable. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. Turning this on tells Edge to help block apps that may be unwanted, suspicious, or potentially harmful from being downloaded or installed through the browser. After you switch it on, the setting is active immediately. There's no extra save button needed in most cases, so once the toggle is enabled, you're done. From this point forward, Edge will help protect you by warning or blocking certain potentially unwanted apps before they can cause problems. If you ever want to double check that the setting is still on, you can return to the same place. Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services, then Security. It's always a good idea to review these browser protections from time to time, especially if you're downloading files often or using your computer for work, schools, or general browsing. And that's it. You've now learned how to block unwanted apps in Edge in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.